Hi, how you doing? As you can see, it's a new day, completely new day from when I last vlogged. I was supposed to get back to you, but then I forgot that I needed to cook dinner, and I was not gonna get back to y'all that day. So here I am. I'm back today. After cooking, like I get really tired and stuff, and I need like 2 days to recuperate. So that's basically what happened. I took 2 days to recuperate. That's not the normal thing. It's just because I'm with child. So hopefully I have the window open, the door open, so hopefully the cars going by isn't distracting or too distracting if it already is. My children are watching Miss Monica for right now until it's nap time, and yeah, I need to finish these clothes from Tabernacles. So yeah, so I need to finish. I'm gonna finish the first one, which is the Diana jacket, and what I need to do is to put pockets on it. On the sample one, I realized I didn't. Well, on the second sample one, I didn't put pockets on it. I realized that, and I was like, oh, I didn't put pockets on this one. So when people see it to buy it, there's no pockets. So I'm like, well, the original has pockets, so I'm going to put the pockets on there. So I'm going to put the pockets on there. I have to draft the pockets from the first one sample that I made, and then yeah, I'm just gonna work until it's nap time for them. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Okay, sorry, I thought it was a commercial on for them. Hope you guys are having a great day. There's so many things I want to do. There's Passover coming up, and I want to make stuff for it, but I have to make the decision fast on what I'm going to make and what I'm going to do. I have so many thoughts, so many contradicting thoughts, so many, part of me is just like, just make what you're going to make and see what happens. Like, just see what happens, you know? So that's what I got going on right now. But yeah, I'm going to get started on that. I'm not going to waste any time. And I'm just gonna get right into it, try to keep up with my fluids and my magnesium and stuff like that, and I'm gonna get things rolling. Alright.
I see the faces of the people, and I'm like, this is interesting. This is very interesting. I go into a post office, and I see in a way where we can all feel and understand our state, so you'll understand.
Give it up, cause it's gonna be alright when you're with the Most High. He's gonna make sure everything's alright. Come on, let's give him praise, y'all.
Like, man, where did you get those?
Okay, so I pretty much copied the pocket. However, I made a little mistake because I forgot that the other side of the material is slightly faded. It's not going to be the exact same as the good side of the fabric, and you know what? It could actually possibly still work. I don't know though, because I can tell the good side from the bad side of the fabric. So this is good side of the fabric, right? Good side, and then bad side. Doesn't look too bad, right? But there's like little slight imperfections in the wrong side of the fabric, and me just knowing it will mess with my mind. So I'm gonna have to add a different piece to the pocket. I'm gonna have to sew on an extra piece, like sew on this extra piece here. Is this too bright? I'm gonna have to sew on this extra piece here. Have to sew it, and then now it's a fold so that it's a good piece. I'm trying to make a quality pocket here that doesn't look like I just threw some pockets on and doesn't look cheap. I don't want it to look cheap. I want it to look good. Quality. So I just gotta figure that part out. Shouldn't take too long. Oh, dang, I got like 15 minutes until nap time. Okay, let's do it. Hey, so this is what I just decided to do for the meantime, because I'm not about to figure all that out right now. So what I did is I put a note here that says to attach pocket top piece 2 up here, arrows. And then I cut the top piece off and add 1/2 inch to the bottom of this arrows. And then I just identified it as a Diana jacket. Pocket piece 2, top of pocket. So when I cut the pattern piece out, I know. So I'm gonna do that now.
On my back and look at stars all night. Cause he made a promise to my father by the will of his might. We know God is not a liar, he is upright. So as many as the stars, we will take flight. As God's children, we will take sight. From the blind who use wisdom like a snake bite. And you said, so I put my life in your hands. Only God understands. Only follow your commands. Anything that you demand. And following your plans, not falling for the scams. Religion is a sham and sinking in the sand. Not following the trends, don't care about your bands. Just love your fellow man and treat them like a friend. And lend a helping hand, cause Christ's word stands. Today and forever. Yeah. You got me open, Lord, I'm open.
Hey guys, okay, so it's their nap time. It's past their nap time. It's like 18 minutes past their nap time, but I could not like just stop. I'm feeling okay, and I just didn't want to just stop what I was doing because I was so close. So this is how the pocket looks so far, you know. This is good side, looking good, okay. Now my issue is that I feel like this material is really thin. If I was just to have this as the pocket by itself on here, I feel like it's too delicate, and I feel like I need to put a facing or something. The only facing that I have that's like sew-on facing or something, it's white. And I feel like putting a white on the inside of the pocket would be kind of tacky. I feel like putting white on the inside of the pocket would be kind of tacky. So I preferred black. I can't find any more of my black material that I had. So I didn't want to use up more of the material, but it looks like I'm going to have to. So I'm going to put them down for naps. Most High willing. I'm going to eat. And then after that, if I'm feeling up to it, I don't want to do too much because we have Sabbath service tomorrow. We have Sabbath service tomorrow, so I don't want to overdo it and then be too tired for tomorrow and then have hydration issues and be too tired and just avoid that. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do right now, but I'm going to go put them to bed. You sleepy, girl? Yeah. I'm gonna put them down for naps. I'm gonna eat, and then we'll see what happens. So, yeah, pocket's pretty much done. If I had thought about the interfacing sooner, I would have sewn it here in between these two pieces, so that way it's just there already. Now I'm like, should I unsew it and then just? I really don't want to do that, but it's looking like I might have to do that. Excuse me. It's looking like I might have to do that. So, bye guys.